bear a son, and shall name him Emmanuel, which means God is with us. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Brothers and sisters, it is impossible that the blood of Moses will take away sins. For this reason, when Christ came into the world, he said, "Sacrifice and offering you did not desire, but a body you prepared for me, and all of God's sin offerings you took from your life." Then I said, as is written of me in the song, "Behold, I come to do your will, O God." First he says,
The renewal of baptismal promises. Do you reject Satan and all his words and all his empty promises? I do. Do you believe in God the Father Almighty, Creator of heaven and earth? I do. Do you through the faithful obedience of the Blessed Virgin Mary, God takes in the repetition with our response be, Lord, bless all our days come together. Lord, bless.
let us pray to the Lord.
Lord, bless all our days.
For our loved ones, for our relatives, for our neighbors, and for all who have gone before us in faith that they may receive this faith, let us pray to the Lord.
Lord, bless all our days. Father, for the word, we bring our intentions before you.
As we celebrate this blessed milestone, we offer our heartfelt thanks to everyone who prepared the way for
Babay na.
That's